Hey everyone, my name is Mrs. Cox. I'm going to be professor for EDU 100 online for the summer session from June 1st through July 24th. This is just a quick welcome video to welcome you to the class and to warn you that this is only an 8-week class where we have to get 16 weeks worth of work in this 8-week class. So when you start to look at the weeks, you will notice quite a lot of information every single week. I understand that that can be a bit overwhelming. Please just make sure that you keep in touch with me, keep in contact with me, and I will help you through this semester in any way I can. This course is designed to inform you about the history of the college, any policy and procedures for the college, and expectations in the areas of your department and academics in general. We'll be doing special emphasis on study skills, note-taking skills, time management skills, and basically just adjusting to college life. This course is required for graduation, so you have to pass this course in order to graduate from Talladega College. I do want to make note that I will have a weekly Zoom meeting from 3:30 to 4 where you can come and ask for any questions that you need. If you're having any issues, it will be every single Monday from 3:30 to 4. If you need a different time, if that time's not convenient for you, please email me and we will set up a time that is more convenient for you. You will click on this link on Mondays from 3:30 to 4 and I will be there. Another note, you have your course textbooks. You have to do your mind tap. That is required. Starting this week, we will have assignments in your mind tap. Before you can click here and set up your mind tap access, you have to set up your Talladega College email address. That is an assignment in your week 1. You will see lots of assignments, but I tell you step by step how to do it. If you have any issues, please email me. It is imperative that you get that Talladega College email set up because that is the only email that I will be able to email you. Okay? Just note all the information that you need is on this weekly page, but I have also put this information under your assignments. So this is what you see when you will log in to your course. You will click on coursework and each assignment is there with the instructions on how to do it and examples. Like I said, there's a lot of coursework every single week because each week we will have to do 2 weeks worth of work. So please let me know if you need assistance. Thank you guys, and I look forward to this course.